Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. MashaAllah, great feeling. Though the cool breeze is strong today, but still, it's enjoyable. When you climb a mountain early in the morning, you sit there on the top and you start watching the views around, the places around. So it gives you happiness and energy. MashaAllah, wonderful feeling. Though it's not completely dark, cloudy, so there is little cloud in the sky as well. MashaAllah, nature beauty is overloaded here. Look at the lights. Darkness is still prevailing, though I offered my Fajr prayer, but lights are still on. People have got up, they're making preparation for their prayer, for their breakfast, for their schools, colleges, universities, and offices and jobs. They have started their life, their day. And when you get up early in the morning, so you have a long day and you can enjoy your day, because when you win the morning, you win the day. Thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay fit, stay strong, everyone.